So when you open Voicemeeter Banana, this is the way it is. Voicemeeter Banana is a software that is used to mix audio and to route audio. It's like a digital mixer, but in your laptop. So you don't necessarily need to have a mixer. You don't necessarily need to have a digital mixer on you before you know how to use Voicemeeter Banana. So here we have three inputs, two virtual inputs, three audio outputs, and two audio virtual outputs. We have a mono, how to mute, to change to mono, to solo, and to mute a sound. We can route it to many places, a particular input sound to many places. When you click here, you bring in the sound. And when you click here, you select an output that you want to send it out in. So I think this is when you are playing a media player or outputting any sound from a software, you can bring them in here to be routed to rather than them playing immediately to your speaker, laptop speaker. So this is it. For if you want to know more, please follow our YouTube channel. We'll be talking about each of these, the panels, the equalizer, even how to record in Voicemeeter and how to EQ in Voicemeeter. Next video is already waiting. Don't miss it.